Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today I am here with a uh, what I received in a swap. This was the um, Matchbook card kit hosted by Janiva at Purposely Crafting the Divine Intervention here on YouTube. It was a make three, receive three, and you had to make a matchbook following Brittany at BB's Crafts tutorial, and then make a card, include enough stuff to make that card 4 times, and attach a dangle to the matchbook, and then you had to a set of 4 embellishments, a memory dex card, and a store-bought goodie. So I received mine. I've been I keep having dizzy spells, and so I kind of haven't. I got it like 2 days ago and haven't been able to do anything with it. So anyway, gonna try and get through this now because I'm rushing, trying to get things kind of wrapped up, getting ready to go on vacation, trying to get the trailer all loaded up and get the boat loaded up, and yeah, so getting groceries and gas and all this fun stuff we gotta do to prepare for the trip. So anyway, should be fun. So anyway, I wanted to get this filmed before I left so I could share these pretty entries that I received. So I don't know who they are from, so we'll just see as we go. So I got these 3 different ones. That one and this one. So let's start with this one right here. Okay, right here it is. So this is Sandy from Sandy's Planner Shop and Crafts. Okay, cool. I watched everybody's videos as Janiva posted them. She received them, but I don't remember whose was whose, back from watching the videos. So just take a peek real quick. So this is Sandy from Sandy's Planner Shop. This is a cute little dangle. She can hear some beads and pom-poms. Cute little unicorn. That's cute. Cute little watermelon theme, summer theme. Love that little crocheted heart. So cute. Okay, let's see. I think I might be. Sometimes I look at these as going upside down, so I don't know why. I've tried my phone different ways, but anyway. Okay, so here's the elements. Some of the elements for the card kit. Okay, here's the card. Oh yeah, I remember this card now. This is such a cute card, the shaped card. Let me take it out real quick because of that glare and show you how cute this card is. Look how cute that is. So super cute. So that is the card that she made, and that's the envelope for it. And then you were to include the makings to make it. Sure can't make what it was 3 more times or 4 more times. Maybe it was 4 altogether, so you had to include enough stuff for 3 more. Okay, so here's all the base and this cutout, and then more envelopes. That is a cute card. I love that. I remember seeing that. Okay, let's see if I can get this all stuck back up in here. So it's going to be fun to have some cards that are ready to go on hand. I used to do a ton of card making, but I haven't lately, so I'm kind of low on my cards, so it'll be fun to make these all up. So that is her matchbook with the card kit inside of it and the dangle. Okay, and then in this bag, looks like we probably have her other goodies. Let's see. Alright, so here's her Memdex. Let's open this up. This is really pretty bags, but it's kind of hard to see through for the video, so let me take this out. Oh, that is super cute. She's stitched around it. It's got layered with acetate. Cute little beach bag with all of her little goodies inside. Yeah, these pieces move, pull out. Look at that tiniest little bow right there. So cute, and you even stitched on it. Gorgeous. And then she's got her information on the back. Really cute. Thank you, Sandy. So there's that. Okay, and then in this envelope we have her her 4 embellishments. Those are cute. And so she is the, you can, it's kind of hard to tell like this. Okay, here's the embellishment, this ice cream cone, and it's got these little things on it, and a little charm on each thing, and they're attached to this piece underneath here, which is I think it's a cart. Yeah, it's an ice cream cart. This one that these are all attached to. So the 2 are attached up here to the umbrella part. You can kind of see underneath there, and then these 2 down here are attached to the cart part of the thing, and it's laminated. So cute. Those are really unique. Love that. Okay, and then looks like we have her her store-bought goodie. So she's included this cute little bag. It's kind of like a alligator skin, and it's like we got one more thing here. Oh, this cute little die set. That's so cute. So it's got they're little tiny tags. So it's got a Santa head, a tree, and a stocking. Look how cute that is. Thank you for that. All right. Okay, so that was Sandy, Sandy's Planner Shop. Okay, I will link everybody's information below. Okay, let's go with this one next. And I love that tag on the front. Okay. So whoever this one is, they used Flourish for their collection too. That's what I used on mine. I used a lot of the lighter colors, but this looks really pretty. I commented about how cute it looked with, because she lined a lot of the stuff, backed it, you know, like matted it on black with black, and so it gives it a totally different look. So really cute. Okay, so this is the tag. Look at all that layered up and a cute little dangle there. Really cute. And let's see, no, the name's not on the back. So, okay, that's cute little tag. Love that. Okay, and then inside here is her matchbook. Oops. So cute. Yeah, I loved how she matted it with black. Then she cut the flower out in black. She stitched a bunch of different pieces. She got chipboard. Here's her dangle kind of inside. Here's her cute little dangle. Little bell, heart, tassels. Really cute. I love that. And here's the inside. So cute. Okay, let me see. I'm going to try and see if I find the card first. Okay. Okay, so here's her card. Thanks, friend. So cute. Love that. And the envelope. Okay. And then here are the pieces for it. Okay, and then back here are the bases and the envelopes. So cute. Thank you for all that. Really cute. And then looks like, okay, here she's got her, she was able to stick her Memdex in that pocket. So cute Memdex. She's got layered up with you know, some ephemera pieces and some chipboard. And she has her information in the back. Okay. Oh, this is from Marissa Walker, the pink ape. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I watched everybody's videos, but I don't remember whose was whose now. So, love this one. Really cute. Thank you, Marissa. So cute. Okay, so there's all the stuff for that part. And then looks like she made a pocket on the back of hers. I know a lot of people were doing that. So cute little pocket she's added on. And then here are her embellishments. Cute, some circles and then some you know, like a frame style layered up. Really cute. Love those. And then it looks like she's included for her store-bought goodie. She's included some, looks like probably stickles. Yeah, some stickles in gold. Really cute. Thank you for that. Love it. Okay, so that was Marissa's, the pink ape. Okay. And then my last one is this one here. So let me get this pulled out here. Ooh, so pretty. Looks like she used carousel. I love carousel. I'm making some stuff with it right now. Oh, look how cute this is. Okay, so here's her matchbook. Stitch, got it. Oh, I have that die too. She's got it made into a shaker. Some of the carousel pieces. Rosette. Pom-poms, all kinds of fun stuff layered up. So cute. And then look at this charm she's got on the side here. It's, okay, so there's the stick, like one of those pokey things, is inside there. And I'm not sure, I think that's, okay, that was holding on. Yeah, that was holding on this cute little cup of a sequins mix. So cute. Love that idea. Okay, so here's the dangle. Really cute. Really, really cute. All kinds of beads. Are these those, are these like, what do you guys call these? I have never tried this, but is this those like shrinky dinks or something like that? I'm not sure. Let me know. I've been thinking I need to try something like that, if that's what those are. Or however you did it. Those are super cute. Love those. I don't have anything like that. Okay, so we open it up. Here's the inside. And let's see. Okay, here's the card. So here's the card that she's made. So she's used that tent again. It's a shaker mix again. All layered up with pom-poms and a rosette. Really cute. Love that card. Okay, and then here are all the stuff that we need to make the rest of it. So cute. And let's see, and then right here should be like, yeah, the bases in the envelopes. Nice. Thank you for those. I love it, and I love the card. I love all this. Okay. So there's that. Okay, and then here is her Memdex card. So she's used the, let's see, is this Scrap Diva? Yeah, I think this is Scrap Diva, the Ferris wheel Memdex card. I have this too. I haven't actually made a Memdex out of it yet. I only just used it for other stuff. Made a 3G project with it, but anyway, so she's made a shaker and have it all layered up. Really cute. And so this one, because I wasn't sure who this is from. This is from Abbie. So on YouTube, YouTube and Etsy, she's Cup of Abbie. Okay, cool. I love this. She's got her information on the back. I love, love, love this one. So pretty. Thank you for that, Abbie. So there's that. Here is her store-bought goodie. Love these. Can't have nothing. I have a couple of them, but I keep not using them because I don't want to run out. Oh, and she's also included some foam tape. Thank you for that. And then here are her bows, which are her 4 embellishments. So cute. She's got layered up with tulle and paper and crepe paper, and then gold in the center. She stitched it all in there in this envelope for us. Such cute things. So yeah, so this is Abbie. She is Cup of Abbie. So again, I will link the information below, so you guys can go check out all these ladies' wonderful creations. I love everything. Thank you so much to all the ladies that I received these from. Hope everybody that got mine. Hope they like it. Thank you, Janiva, for hosting. It was a fun swap, and I'm looking forward to making these cards and building up my card stash. So Anyway, I will link everybody's information below. Thanks for watching. Bye.